My name is Abdulqadir Bashir Hussein, and I'm 27 years old, and I live in Copenhagen, Denmark. Currently, I'm a second-year student. I study bachelor in something called Urban Energy and Environmental Planning. I have quite some ambition, actually. The reason I changed from studying architecture to urban planning was mainly because there are no urban planning visual currently in Somalia at the moment, and you see many people are building, but no one are actually working towards a vision of how they envision Somalia and how the people, because the Somalis are divided into both the local people and the diaspora people, and none of them actually communicate together, because one thing we all have in common is being Somali, and we're all from Somalia. And in order to envision a vision that we all can work towards, we sort of have to engage into urban planning and definitely also into environmental planning, because that's mainly one of the things that are basically devastated in Somalia. I mean, yeah, but I'm sort of, while I'm studying, collecting all the data, all the information that I need to collect before I can come up with the business, which is mainly going to be focusing on the urban part, the energy part, and also the environmental planning part. So inshallah, within 2 years time, I will hopefully have a business in consulting in these three mentioned areas.